In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to pay your electricity bill using Amazon Pay, particularly if you're residing in India. We'll walk through this process step by step to make sure you feel confident every step of the way. First things first, ensure that you have the Amazon app installed on your mobile device and that you're signed into your account. That's crucial because, without being logged in, you'll be unable to access the platform's payment features. Now, let's dive into paying your bill. Start by navigating to the Payments section of the app. For users in India, this means opening the Amazon Pay or Bill Payments section. Let's break it down further. From the app's homepage, go to My Account. From there, proceed to Your Payments, and then head over to the Bill Planner section. This path will ensure you're on the correct track to settling your bill promptly. Once you've arrived at the Bill Payments or Utilities section, it's time to select the specific bill you intend to pay. In this case, we're focusing on the electricity or utility category. This selection is pivotal because it directs you to the appropriate options related to electricity bill payments. The next step requires you to choose your state and the specific electricity board or agency you're paying. This could be your local electricity distributor, so make sure you select the correct one to avoid any issues. The app usually provides a list based on your location, making this task relatively straightforward. At this juncture, you'll need to enter your consumer or account number associated with the electricity board. This number is unique to your account and ensures that the payment is correctly credited. Here's a tip. If available, make use of the Fetch Bill option. This handy feature will pull up your exact bill amount directly from the electricity board, saving you time and ensuring accuracy. After you've verified the bill amount, the next step is to select your preferred payment method. Amazon offers flexibility here, allowing you to choose from options like your Amazon Pay balance, UPI, net banking, or even a card if supported. Pick the method that's most convenient for you. Once everything is set, complete the payment. The process is typically swift, and the app is engineered to ensure your transactions are secure. Upon completion, you should receive a confirmation via the email linked to your Amazon account, or a notification directly through the app. This serves as your receipt, confirming that the transaction was successful and that your bill payment has been processed. And that's it. Following these steps will ensure your electricity bill is paid smoothly via Amazon Pay. Hopefully, this guide makes the process not only manageable but also efficient for your monthly bill paying routine.